How to open images as layers in Photoshop for beginners, PC or Mac. First thing to do, go to File and then down to Scripts and then load files into Stack. Now the files can be different sizes. The result will be different sizes of layers. Go to Files and then go to Browse. Click there. Once you've done that, select the files you want. I'm going for this selection and then click Open. You can see all the files there. Once you've done that, click OK and it will process it very quickly. Once the process has been finished, you can then go to the Layers panel and you can see all these layers. They've all got the file name associated with it. If you want to see the lower layers, simply click here and you can then see the lower layers. If you want to resize them, simply go up here to Show Transform Controls and you'll see here the controls, and then you can drag and resize it to fill the entire document. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials all the time. Bye.